My dear friend, Namaskar. You are welcome to my YouTube channel DP Forensic Lab. In today's video, I will discuss about gait analysis from CCTV footage for person identification. I have described the main techniques which are used for person identification for forensic use in my previous video. So there are various techniques like this: facial features, fingerprint, DNA, odontology, so and so. And in previous one video, I have described in detail the gait features analysis based on the footprint, because the gait analysis can be done based on the two types of the parameters. Number one, gait analysis from the footprint, and number second, the gait analysis from the CCTV footage or the video. So in today's video, I have tried to bring the all concern or parameters or all details in brief how this techniques, gait analysis technique from the CCTV footage can be done. So, as we know, the gait features of a individually are the unique, which depend on the person to person different conditions. So, in this technique, I have used these parameters. The gait analysis from the CCTV footage, it is a published techniques, it is a valid techniques. So, you can use for the human identification in cases where the facial features in the photographs or in the video is not available, or the person identification become difficult when the facial features are not visible. So this kind of technique can be applied. So the different parameters used for the analysis of the gait analysis, there are two types of the parameter, static parameters and other is a dynamic parameter. Both parameters are important. Static parameter means the parameters which are stable, which not change while the person is walking. In this figure, they have highlighted the static parameters, the different length. Suppose the length of the body, it is constant. The length will not change. So length of the arms and other parameters. And other features are the dynamic, which are changed naturally as the distance between the different parts of the body, the angles of the different parts of the body. Suppose this angle, how this angle change. So this is a dynamic parameter, they are changing. So we have note the static parameter as well as the dynamic parameter when we are talking about measurement of the different features for the gait analysis. So based on my experience, I have used this technique in the many cases. This type of the parameters may be noted. What parameter? Number is subjective parameter, other is the objective parameter, because this parameter also very important when we are talking about the person identification, like a head position. We know somebody keep the face or head downside while he is talking, while he is walking, and some person may be walking keeping head from the vertically. So this is very important. This type of parameters are movement. One person may be kept his arm always in the upside, another may be kept arm in the downside. So these parameters very important. Body, so another is a body posture, legs posture, foot posture, how feet lifted. This is also important. This depend. One person lifted the foot always keeping in this upward direction, and the second may be the moving in the horizontal. So this is subjective, but is important parameters which help for further enhance the confidence level or help to making a positive opinion. And when we are talking about the objective parameters, there are various parameters like a gait cycle, the time taken by the complete of a whole gait cycle. One gait cycle is from the initial position to the complete of the one. Suppose he is here 1 feet, second feet he stood here, and again he this year and this on the this year. So this is near position and this come down to this initial position. After this is this is. So this may be a one gait cycle. So time is very important. Speed also important. Angle between the legs. Suppose left leg or right leg. Angles. Angle between the right to left leg. Maximum area covered by the legs. This may be important. The maximum area. Somebody moving cover the big area and somebody walking to cover the lower area. So the step length may be different. This is depend on the step length or the length of these legs also. But the area may be noted. Maximum area covered by this maximum angle. Arm, how the arm is lifted, maximum angle, or maximum legs, maximum leg angles, etc. And some indices may also be determined using this techniques. Arm oblique body length. Suppose the arm is this and whole body is this. So this divided by this, one indices change. Another is a leg oblique body. This is leg, this is a body. So this index can be calculated, etc. These are very, very important. And it is very important to properly record the specimen video. So here I have highlighted how the specimen video should be recorded. You can note it or take the screenshot of this, but I will I will make a separate video how the specimen video to be recorded while we are recording the specimen video or the control video for the purpose of gait analysis. So I applied this technique in many cases successfully, and the software is available which can calculate the such type of the parameter very easily. The detail of the software I will provide. If anybody want to know about the software, please ask in the comment box. So there are various parameters can be calculated by using this software. Various parameters, length, areas, angles, etc. So this is a video of myself because before applying this technique, I also study the parameters are coming the same or not. So I applied this software or the technique on myself also. So this is a length 353. Now this so slightly variation is possible, but if the person is same, they come in the same or the similar. So this is end. In this video, I have tried to bring a instruction or the parameters used for the gait analysis in the short video because from the whole detail is not possible. If anybody want to apply this technique, he may read or he may study further. For any technical assistance or any training, you can contact to me directly on these numbers. Okay, thank you, dear friends.